Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Galaxy Witch Mani. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat, and I'll be using Braves Diva Game Over. Just a nice black cream. I don't know that this one's being sold anymore. I think it's been replaced by On the Black, the stamping polish, which you can use as a, a regular polish too. But look at the formula on this. It's just perfect, even with my shaky hands. I'm going to cap my free edge real quick, and it's a one coat and you're done, y'all. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat and get it to dry down. And then I'm going to get to doing some playing. Love, love, love this. Gonna have to up my game and get some more Halloween manis done. There we go. Hi, Woody. How you doing? I'll be using Apple Barrel's White, Yellow Flame, and Concord Grape, as well as Jack-o'-lantern today. It's been a while since I played with paint, so I've got a little makeup sponge that I've torn and it's pinched in my tweezers, and I'm going to go through and kind of make the Galaxy base in white. I am going to go over this twice just to make sure that it's really, really white. No particular rhyme or reason of where I put them. And I've got some tiny pieces, and I'm going to go in with my colors. Here we go. I'm dabbing into the purple, and then I dab a little off onto the mat because I don't want it being just too in your face. And going around with the purple on the outer edge. I wanted to do a Galaxy Mani with Halloween colors. The only thing I messed up on, I think, is I didn't include a little bit of green, but yeah, it's all good. So there we go. We got the purple down, and now I'm going to go in with the orange and go on the inside, kind of working my way in here on this one, and going to get some of that orange down. And now for the yellow in the middle, just kind of dab, dab, dabbing. And you can go over these as many times as you want until you like what you see. That's the thing about Galaxy Manicures. You just keep messing with it until you're happy with it. And at any point of this, I could have just stopped and been done. But I'm going to show you what I like to do after I get my main colors down. I like to go back in with a little bit more white. And I'm very sporadic with it. Just kind of, going in with a light touch. It just helps. I don't know that it really gives it dimension really, but it just kind of helps soften the look. And you just keep messing with it until you're happy. And I'm going to go in with a little bit more purple. Like I said, you can just keep adding and dabbing until you're happy. It just works. So I am going to add some sparkles to this because it is a Galaxy manicure. It needs a little bling. And this is China Glaze Wildflower Power, I think. It's almost like fairy dust, but I think it's got more gold in it. It's more of the gold version. And then I'm going to top it with some of the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat, because I am going to do just a little bit of stamping. I'm not going to go too crazy today. I'm going to try to keep it a little more tame, because I really did like the way the Galaxy look. Hi, Woody. I love a Galaxy manicure, and I like the way that looked. So I am cleaning up with 91% alcohol. You can clean up with alcohol, acetone, or you can just wait until it's all dry and clean it with soap and water. I'll be stamping with the On the Black from Braves Diva, and this is an old bundle monster plate. I think it's BM13, and I'm just going to use that little witch image on my ring nail and my thumbnail, and I'm going to top it with some of the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. I didn't get my placement quite right on the ring nail, but it is what it is. And now we're going to finish this one off with some Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls and glossy this baby up and get her finished. So there we go. Beautiful, beautiful glossy top coat. Love it. So this is one of my crazy out-of-the-box Halloween manicures. I hope you enjoyed it. I would love to hear what you think. Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this one. Here we go. We got some swatch photos coming up. Ta-da! And then one with thumb too. So I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.